Q is an opt-in economy that is controlled and self-regulated by its own netizens. Decentralized organizations building in Q have access to a layer of human tools beyond code is law and can enter into contracts knowing there's an extra level of trust. Let's learn how to use Q right away. Install MetaMask. First, install the browser add-on MetaMask. After successful installation, add a custom network and enter the Q network configuration details that are documented within MetaMask tutorial. Finally, create 2 new accounts so you can later send Q tokens from one to another. Network configuration. You might need to configure your wallet to support and accept Q tokens. To do this, you need to connect to the Q mainnet by using the following network details. Get your first Q. Q tokens will be made available shortly for public sale. Verify Q funding. Once you have funded your wallet account, open MetaMask and select the according wallet account. It should now have received a couple of QS and should display an according balance. Send Q. Within MetaMask, click on Send, then transfer between my accounts and select the second wallet account you just created. Finish the transaction and wait for the entered amount of Q to be transferred from account to account. You can verify the transaction within the QBlock Explorer located at https://explorer.q.org. You can of course send Q to any other wallet address you know. Earn rewards. Now open a new tab and head over to https://hq.q.org. If you have MetaMask still activated and connected to Q mainnet, you should be browsing the Q decentralized app that allows users to exercise governance rights, earn rewards on Q tokens, or do some saving and borrowing with QDeFi.